Welcome to Gig Machine AI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to use AI tools in Gig Machine AI. Go to the left menu and click on Proposal and Message Writer. Here you can generate professional proposals and client messages using AI. You just need to enter proposal details. You can either add details manually or import details by an URL. Once you click on Fetch Details and all your data will fetched automatically. Just click on Generate Proposal. And your AI-generated proposal is ready. You can edit the text. You can copy, save or download the result. You can view your generated proposals in History section where you can further manage them. Now click on Pricing and Profit Calculator from left menu. Here you can calculate the perfect price for your gig and see your estimated profit. Just add calculator inputs like Platform, Gig Category, Price to Charge, Estimated Work Hours, AI Tools and Expenses, Platform Fee. Now click on Calculate Profit and all detailed breakdown of your profit show in right section. You can see detailed breakdown of profit here. Thanks for watching the video.